अच्छे होते हैं ना वो दूसरों में सब अच्छा देख लेते हैं. You are a good man, so you can see good in everyone. So
beauty lies in
all
the eyes of
credit
the
to you.
beholder. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder.
Yes, that's right. So all this is because of you.
No sir, but I am telling you, आपका जो feedback मेरे को personally बच्चों के call से, parents के feedback से, teachers के, it was really very effective. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you very much. I appreciate that. Not many people take time to really give a
Right,
feedback,
sir.
but thank you very much.
Over here we have brought asked lot of parents, lot of teachers and students, and you as well, sir, so that it was not just for one time thing. It is nation building. And when we talk about sir, nation building, it is a continuous behavioral pattern approach, which
I know. I really appreciate the kind of work you are doing. I really appreciate you for all this. I mean, entire team of YI, you are doing a great job. So proud of you.
Our leader Anuj sir has given us that much of opportunity to think as per our psychology, where otherwise a leader normally takes control of everything. Our leader has given us the free hand to nurture people.
Kya baat hai? This is great.
Leadership is very important, sir.
I know, true. Agreed, absolutely.
बस सर हमारे नेशनल्स में मेरी बात हुई, जो हमारे थलेर जो हमारे इवेंट्स हुए हैं, तो थलेर के जो नेशनल हेड है मुंबई से हैं मिस्टर दीपेंद्र सिंह, वो बस वो उनको मेरे को रिपोर्ट करना होता है. मतलब मैं भोपाल हेड हूँ थलेर का. अनुज गर्ग सर हमारे पूरे वाया के चेयरमैन है भोपाल के. उसके अंदर वर्टिकल्स होते हैं डिफरेंट वाया के, तो एग्जीक्यूटिव काउंसिल उससे बनती है. तो उसमें से एक वर्टिकल का मैं हूँ हेड. इसके बाद जो मेरा वर्टिकल के जो नेशनल हेड है वो है मिस्टर दीपेंद्र जी, and he is going to join very soon, sir.
Great. I'm happy. I know it must be a great team with Anuji, with people like you, and your vertical must be doing great. I can see that.
And I'm pretty sure, sir, that I can always see that spark in your face, the glow. It's always ever smiling.
Energy comes from people like you.
Sir, आपके साथ मतलब भगवान करे, but I have this sixth sense that even during some or the other, every man goes ups and downs of life, and if a down comes to you, and I had a word with you related to that period itself, you never made it sure to me that कुछ ऐसे कुछ, it's always everything is good. I was astonished.
Thank you very much. So much energy. You have said so many things. अभी आज तो हो गया काम अपना, आज का काम खत्म, अपन तो अब राजा हो गए. So much has been said, so thank you very much.
नहीं sir.
And रसगुल्ला मेरी तरफ से ड्यू है, नहीं तो आप लेके खा लीजिएगा. Thank you very much. एक रसगुल्ला मेरी तरफ से लेके खा लीजिएगा आप. Thank you very much for all the sweet things. Thank you very much.
I am happy to see Anuj sir as well. And Anuj sir was also saying कि राजीव sir का जो session था, that was really got we. In fact, I welcome Swati ma'am as well. Ma'am, very good evening. And so glad to see you as well, ma'am. As I was saying about Rajiv sir, Anuj sir से मेरी बात हुई थी. We have got Dr. Chetan sir as well on our board, and Chetan sir, Rajiv sir, Swati ma'am. I can't tell you how much great feedbacks we have got from school students, teachers, and you won't imagine 55,000 indirect reach हुई है आप लोगों की.
क्या बात?
इसी के लिए आज हम बैठे हैं, आप लोग को बताने के लिए कि आप लोग को 55,000 लोगों ने सुना है, समझा है, उसका डेटा हम आपको आज शो करना चाहते हैं.
क्या बात है. डॉक्टर स्वाति को तो पक्का सुना होगा.
अरे सर क्या बात कर दिया आपने.
ना पक्का. You are doing a great
Dr.
job.
Chetan sir as well.
Thank you so much.
Hi, hello everyone.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
So I was silently listening. So sometimes being behind the curtain is always good. So you come to know what is being spoken in the room. So Mayank ji, just a quick update. I messaged Dipender ji. So I think
he's driving right now. He told me within 5 to 7 minutes मेरी भी फोन पे बात हो गई है. So he said कि मैं आप ही के लिए ऑफिस से जल्दी भगाऊं और घर पहुंच के I'll just log in ASAP.
Great. So a warm welcome to everyone, the mentors of Thaler. I think you are not just the teachers but mentors, and a great show by Mayank. It was conceptualized and thoughts, everything came from Mayank, and it was the first opportunity. हम नया vertical हमारा जो start हुआ भोपाल में. So and Mayank, I think yes. There was a network glitch. Sorry. So thank you all mentors for taking this to a very high level. And we will be having our national chair very soon joining in. And Mayank, the show anchor, the Amitabh of Kaun Banega Crorepati, with the black beard, he will be taking us, and probably will wait for some good lifelines and some good amount to be credited to our accounts. In terms of the applauses, in terms of the impact he has made, these are more than the worth of money. In this COVID times, आप सब एक बहुत, you are all teachers, you are all inspirationals. Wherever you are around yourself, you keep inspiring. Thaler Vertical is all about bringing a positive change among kids from all background, whether it is from a poor child to a very from a very rich person. Also, they need some mentorship. And it's quite surprising. Mayank is not married, he's not a father, but he is getting a good exercise on doing a very good parenting and with good mentors, and something behind you also. He keeps talking about you with all respect, and the way Mayank and Ashish, they have taken this initiative to new level is really worth. So this especially our national team wanted to come and talk about, and very soon I think we have an international summit also going on. So थोड़ा सा उस कारण से मयंक जी 1-2 मिनट लेट हो गए. Dipender has joined in. Yes, so we have Dipender joining.
Hi,
in.
guys.
Good evening. Very good evening.
Sorry for the delay.
No issues. So let me take this. Okay, yes, we start.
Right.
Yes,
So I would like to welcome National Chair Project Thaler, Mr. Dipender Singh, Mr. Anuj Garg, Chair Vaya Bhopal, all present parents, teachers, mentors of Vaya Thaler who took the sessions, and my dear school students. I'm glad to have you on board for this Vaya Thaler 1.0 valedictory function. Thaler 1.0 has been very successful event with the participation of school students from across 24 schools among 12 cities. With the total 105 students came out as winners. So you can actually understand that there are 105 students who came out as the activity winners in the master plan, but what could be the quantum of participation? When we have triple digit 3 figures winners, then we have 4 digits of participation of students. That means thousands of participation. Very soon we are coming with second round of 2.0 activities, which will get launched in this function itself by our esteemed guest. Once again, I would like to thank all present dignitaries and Thaler stakeholders for their presence in this ceremony. Now I would like to welcome Mr. Anuj Garg, Chair Vaya Bhopal, for his welcome remarks. Thank you.
Thanks, Mayank. And first and foremost, I welcome Dipender Singh. He is the energy for Thaler, and a lot of inspiration, motivation, support we keep getting at Bhopal chapter. Thaler is something which has come from down south, from Dipender's chapter, I think, and the way Mayank has taken it to in this COVID times is really appreciable. We have tried to make an impact on various national agendas in our projects, like road and safety, something connecting to the Thaler as a stakeholder. So we take YI to be not only a youth movement, but a movement which inspires children who are the future youth of this country. So a lot of this.
Sir, I guess there is a network issue. I guess there was a network issue from your end.
Am I audible now, Mayank? Thanks for updating it. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Sure. So maybe sorry for this network trouble. It's not in our hands sometimes. So am I audible? If I'm not, please Mayank correct me.
Sure, sir.
Sure. So not taking any more moment, Thaler has impacted all projects, Dipinder, and the initiatives of YI. And we take Thaler as not as an important future stakeholder who will be converting to youth. The one important thing is we try to cover from traffic and safety, road and safety, to gift and organ, climate change, and all possible verticals. Even on rural, there was a theme, and we are coming up with some entrepreneurship cells in schools in our next phase. So the first phase was exciting, and we do it in a T20 format. Mayank is a very good finisher in just planning more and doing it in one shot. So, but I also would like to thank you for your continuous guidance, support, and this beautiful smile you always carry against all odds happening around you. You always come with this beautiful smile which inspires us. Definitely, we miss you at Bhopal, but we look forward for you to come down to Bhopal post-COVID, maybe in my tenure or in my co-chair's tenure in the next year. And hopefully, Thaler will be going to new heights. We have a spectrum of trainers, mentors who have been selflessly supporting this movement in Bhopal, and all with the selfless commitment of Mayank. I would really appreciate the way he planned and executed as a match pitcher, creating such a big impact. So I really welcome Dipinder and everyone in the show, all the audience. This show is also live on our Facebook page. So students and their parents, aap sabko dete hain, and we hope that in our next Thaler 2.0, we'll try to add more value. And thank you, Mayank, for giving me an opportunity. All to yours.
Sir.
Yes, Mayank.
Sir, I would request our National YI Thaler Chair, Mr. Dipinder Singh, to kindly address, and for the launching of the Thaler 1.0 video, which has been mentioned of the activities which we have covered and in the past few months. And we would also request him to kindly share the impact numbers PDF. Please, sir, over to you, sir. Dipinder, sir.
Hi, good evening, one and all. I'm Dipinder Singh from YI Coimbatore chapter. Coimbatore is in Tamil Nadu, for those who don't know. A North Indian from Tamil Nadu. Probably I'm the first guy here. First of all, sorry to keep you guys waiting. I got delayed by 5 minutes just getting back from office. This is the time that, we reach back home and start doing our other responsibilities towards our nation building projects that we work on. First of all, Anuj and Mayank, big congratulations to both of you. Absolute rock stars you guys have been. Phenomenal work with Thaler. You guys have really raised the bars very high when we compare you with the other chapters the 55 chapters that we have. For those who don't know, Thaler is a Tamil word. It's a word derived from the Tamil language, which means a tender leaf. So why a tender leaf? We compare that with children, with school children, young children. We intend to catch them young and train them, empower them to be responsible citizens, independent citizens, to be socially responsible and socially intelligent children. So that is why we align the Thaler projects, the YI projects, along with in our Thaler curriculum. All the projects come under the Thaler umbrella. We have projects such as Masoom, road safety, climate change, rural initiatives, and career guidance, and so on. So how we differentiated this year, how we started off is, we wanted to have, we differentiate from class to class, from 1st to 4th standard, 1st to 7th standard. We thought we'll have the projects such as Masoom and road safety and all that, because child sexual abuse, is on the rise, and probably YI is one of the biggest platforms that has been addressing it since 4-5 years now. It is a flagship project of YI. It has been. And we also started off with the road safety project. We have the Chota Cop, where we make the school children as a cop of their house. when they are going along with their father on the car, in the car or on the bike. They are the cop of the house. They will be instructing the father to wear the seat belt, to not go fast, to do follow traffic rules, do not overtake from the left, do not break the signal. So that brings in a sense of responsibility, inculcating responsibility right from school children from the young age itself. So that is the whole intention of Project Talir. Basically empowering school children, ensuring that they grow up to be very responsible and independent citizens, who also want to see a developed India. We have been hearing, all these road issues from our childhood, but then when do we start practicing? We are still hearing we don't want our children to grow up and see that to be one of the major issues that our country is facing. So let's start eradicating all these small issues slowly. And YI sets a wonderful platform, to reach out to schools. This is the first year that Project Talir has taken off. We were impacting a big number of college children under our Project Yuva. This being the first year, we've been testing waters. We've just given a basic requirement of reach out to 10 schools per chapter and impact as many as possible. Try to figure out how it's going, and then take it forward. We'll see how Talir can grow. In that, we definitely need everybody's support. I can see a lot of parents here, mentors here, speakers here. We definitely need all your support. It's not only YI's responsibility. I think it's the whole city's responsibility. We can take it city one by one, and then empower the whole country as such. So that is the whole intention of this project. Coming back to Talir events conducted by Bhopal chapter, I think the phenomenal commitment of doing 17 sessions back to back. If I remember Anuj and Mayank telling me, 17 days, 17 sessions. I don't think any other chapter has done that. First of all, kudos to both of you on working on this. And even the sessions have been phenomenal. Some of the sessions that I can remember is the mental detox session by Dr. Chetan. I think that was the first session, impacting about 8,000 numbers. There was a quiz competition about about knowing rural India, which is very, very important because these days our children really don't know what rural actually is. They haven't really seen that side of the country, or probably of their city as well. So getting them to know about this, a very, very valid thought, very, very out of the box thinking by you guys. Phenomenal session. I'm sure that would have been a great session too. And also session on thinking out of the box, impacting 11,000 students, and the 2-minute video on spreading awareness on climate change. That's also one of the projects of YI, inculcated with YI Talir. So you've touched on that topic as well. And during these COVID times, parents and children have really got to spend some quality time with each other. So you had a session on parenting, child behavior as well by Dr. Preeti Sadhu. Again, impacting 10,000 numbers. I really wonder how you managed to impact such huge numbers for a session. Phenomenal work by you guys. Very, very nice. And again, a very interesting session at this juncture you had was on anger management by Dr. Rajiv Agarwal. I feel it is very, very important these days because we see children really losing their cool with their parents. It's been happening on a very high note these days. So you touched that topic as well. The very good take. I'm sure that would have been a phenomenal takeaway. I missed attending that session. I wish I could have had my son attend the session as well. So and again, session on making slogans for road safety. Again, part of our Chota Cop project. Again, part of the very important project that YI carries. Session on importance of values in life, and a best out of waste competition. Again, so I can see the amazing topics various topics that you've touched impacting 55,000 plus students around Bhopal. I mean,
Across the
definitely.
country, across the country.
Pardon me?
Across the country.
Yes, across the country, obviously. I'm talking as part of the Bhopal chapter. I want to say that YI Bhopal is really on a high note, and the citizens of Bhopal, I mean, the people of Bhopal should be proud that you have such a phenomenal chapter trying to impact children of your area, of your city. I'm sure we can see a beautiful future ahead for Bhopal and for the country as a whole. Let's continue doing this great work. Please carry on the momentum. I'm sure the next year incoming team will focus or probably do even more than this. The bar is already set very high by Anuj and Mayank. So I'm sure the next team will be on a roll. They have a very big challenge ahead. It is doable. I'm sure you will enjoy doing it because it is a key, it is a necessity today to be addressing our school children because they are the future. When we say voice of young Indians, we would like to catch them young and let them be the voice of young Indians. They are the future. They are future India. So, I mean, and we are, I think, on the right path. We started to empowering them. Let's empower them as much as possible. Let's reach out as much as possible and do more. The Talir 2, in the incoming years, what I can see is this year we were just testing waters. So we just wanted to reach out to schools, try to create awareness. Just because of this COVID, I mean, yes, we've still done a phenomenal job online and all that. But then we intend to reach out physically at school level, have one-to-one interaction with children, make them understand even better, train the teachers to train the children. That would, create more impact, more reach could be done that way. Because our members going out to schools, coming back, that is done for that moment. But then the teacher is the one who keeps the training going for the children. The children listen to teachers, obviously. So train the teachers could be another one big leap towards Talir that we could be thinking of next year. And yes, we would also like to sign MOUs with schools. I hope we have some school teachers here attending this session. We request you to sign MOUs with the chapter so that these sessions will be conducted only for those schools who has tied up an MOU with YI. All these sessions are free of cost. Trust me, the quality of the output is amazing, and I mean, it's really going to be. It's going to be part of the curriculum for children. It could be an extracurricular for schools. Being part of a Talir member in a school could be definitely would be an honor for the school children to take it forward. They definitely are going to be empowered and come out as strong and better children when they are out of school. So we have something from 1st standard to 12th standard on various topics. From 9th and 10th, we start doing career guidance for them. We have some the best career guidance companies in India with whom we've tied up with. They are willing to conduct online sessions all over pan India, absolutely free of cost and career guidance. Because once after 10th, students don't have much of options. Either they straight into either science, arts, or the whatever subject that they choose. But then this career guidance program that we provide helps them choose various topics that still are untouched. There is a lot of opportunities still to be, taken up. So that also is a very good session. Probably we'll start doing that from next year as well. So Bhopal, fantastic. Please continue to do the great work. We are so proud of you for doing this work during these tough times, pandemic times, when people, crib that nahi yaar, school to nahi chal rahe, kaam nahi hoga. All those bahanas, but then you guys have come out of the blue. You worked really hard, try to connect with people, and you've done a phenomenal job. 3 cheers to both Mayank, Anuj, and the entire team at Bhopal for a phenomenal, great year gone by. And my best wishes for the incoming year as well. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Thank you, sir. It's we are obliged and we are honored to have you on the board. I would request you to kindly share the video to the screen, or if it's possible, then I would ask, yeah. So this is,
Ashish is doing.
yeah, I would request all my participants to just go through just with patience. We are not able to hear it, Ashish. There's a music
Ashish.
problem. Audio. Ashish, audio. There's
I
some
think the audio is still not on. Yeah.
Ashish, audio.
So I take this break opportunity to actually Deepinder. Yes, it's there.
Diamonds in the dust. That is all we.
Good evening, everyone. I'm pleased to announce the YI Thaler Bhopal has organized in collaboration with Roundtable National Thaler Championship, which was being conducted in the month of July and August. The total number of students who were being impacted were 13,000 among 12 cities of 24 schools, and the indirect reach of the students was way beyond of 55,000 students. I am pleased to announce that this organization is going on very, very greater heights. Thank you.
As long as we're together.
Thank you, Young Indian Kids team, for providing online platform during the lockdown period. In near future, we are really looking forward such activity, and many more participation will come. Thanks for everything.
I'm very grateful to Young Indians Bhopal for organizing beautiful events and competitions during this pandemic. This was an excellent initiative to motivate and indulge in our children in various skills and activities. All the competitions were very well organized. I really appreciate the work. Thank you.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं हाँ हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ पंख जरा फैलाओ रंग नए बिखराओ चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले
मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर भरकर जेबों में आशाएं दिल में है अरमान यही कुछ कर जाए सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में दीपक सा जलता देखोगे सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में दीपक सा जलता देखोगे अपनी हद रोशन करने से तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे
Thank you, Ashish, for sharing with us. I would like to thank National Chair Project Thaler, Mr. Deepinder Singh, for their sincere and support to us all the time and their motivation, which really embarked us to conduct this benchmark activity under Project Thaler 1.0. Furthermore, I would ask Ashish to kindly share the screen so that I can tell Deepinder that Bhopal is ahead of nationals. You told us that Thaler 2.0 will focus on teachers training program. Respected sir, with due respect, Thaler Bhopal 2.0 has already plotted a plan for teachers training program in the month of November and December in this year itself. Why to wait for next year when we can do it this year? Then you asked us that there will be career counseling sessions in next year. Why? Who has stopped you? We are doing it in the month of November. This is the activity plan.
Fantastic, guys. Superb.
So I would
So
request.
it will be a good pilot project, Dipender. So this pilot project, Mayank thought of doing this year so that we can add some feedbacks for the next year to take it to the national level. So Mayank has some plans. So with your kind permission, we would like to share this, what we wanted to do it as 2.0, and also to take your feedbacks.
So there will be on
Fantastic. Yeah.
2nd November, as it's mentioned, on 2nd November, we are planning a session on career ahead for maths and science students. So it will be a specific subject which students can clear their queries. Then on 6th, there will be session on humanities and arts. Then on 10th, there will be a session on sports students. As you said, so everybody thinks of like science and arts in the age of 16 and 17 once they do their 10th. But we are talking about the students who are from 8th and 9th, so that they can have a basic idea what struggles or what is the system or what are the organizations and everything of the flow chart if they want to become a sports person. So on 10th, there would be sports session on sports career wise. Then on 18th, it would be on music and drama. On 22nd, it could be, we are planning like a master chef activity. So we will be providing few kits, like do-it-yourself kits to our Via Bhopal members and their children to them. And there will be an online session on how to make the most of that DIY kit by creating cupcakes or some like a dessert through MasterChef activity. On 27th, we are emphasizing a session and career on yoga and meditation, because it's very important. We after specifically having the onboard esteem panel of our mentors like Dr. Preeti ma'am, Rajiv sir, Chetan sir, Swati ma'am, everyone our Shankar sir, I have realized after speaking to them that it's the very need of the hour, being very, 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 calm and sober during your pandemic condition. So it's like how mentally alert and how mentally stable you are brings out the best within you, and it is being judged when you go through the wrong period of bad period of time, the bad phase of life. So yoga and meditation is something which is evergreen career, but not many people take it up because they don't find it lucrative. We are going to have session on that. Then we on 2nd of so it's mentioned 2nd December, but according to the calendar, it's 14th of November. We have Diwali. So the Ramayan will be a workshop for history and mental health, a workshop which will be taken before 14th of November. We'll change the dates. And then on 5th December, we'll have a panel counseling session on career based on robotics, designing, law, architecture for students. And on 8th, we'll be having session on web page creation. 11th, we'll be having session on girl students. This will cover their menstrual hygiene problems, malnutrition among girls, session on emotional issues and nutrition. And on 14th, so we have set a deadline that by 14th, this is not on 14th, by 14th of December, we will, the e-cell will be launched in our Thaler schools. The schools which has signed MOU with us, we will establish an e-cell to develop entrepreneurship cell in their schools for idea generation activities for early startups. This is what we are planning, and these are few flyers, and the few flyers are still in the process. So this is what we have brought it up. And Ashish, I would request you to open the Thaler one all in all file, the PDF, and directly bring it to the teachers training program.
Okay,
So also like to add, so we are doing an annual day also for Thaler, Yuva and rural. So if we do annual day for members, so we have annual day of members. So we thought that important stakeholder is Thaler, Yuva and rural. So this time Bhopal is doing a small experiment of doing annual day of members at the last, but doing Yuva, Thaler and rural before going it. Yes, Dipender. you were saying. Sorry.
Mayank, since you're already on the job for the career guidance program, probably we can, the company that we've spoken to, it's a Guinness Book of World Record company. It's one of the best companies in India. Can we try a session with any of your schools? We'll just give it a go. What these guys do is they conduct a small test for about half an hour. I think it's a 45-minute test, and then I mean, by the way the kid answers those questions and all that, they are able to say, you know, what kind of a career suits the child. Because those questions cover various topics and all that. So we'll also give it a deep thought. We've just started working on it. Probably we can give it a try. If you're okay with to do any of your schools, I can connect you to them and probably do one session there.
Sir, in Hindi we say neki or pooch pooch.
Take it.
For sure, sir, definitely.
So we'll try to give it for about 9th standard students or something. And then we'll see how that goes.
And we can have cross chapters also, Dipender. Maybe some chapters of South or Bhopal, a mix also we can do.
We'll take baby steps. We'll first try to do it for one school, one class. We'll see what is the response and then probably take it forward. Then it's going to be nationally anyways. So it's going to go national once if it's okay. It's going to go nationally anyways. So we'll just do trial and error for one class if it's okay with you. You know, any of your own schools, if you can approach any one class, we'll probably try it. If you find it interesting, wherever the tweaking has to be done, we'll do that and probably carry it forward. And about the entrepreneurship thing, we have something lined up for next year. We wanted to do it this year, but then now since the schools are not physically active, so we can't be doing it. We thought of having an entrepreneurship bazaar, a Talir bazaar, for 5th, 6th standard students, where you know these kids make something from their home and come and say there's a bazaar, probably a feed kind of a thing organized in that school. See, it happens in urban schools, it happens in the later school, but the rural schools that doesn't happen. The kids don't get that opportunity. So they can, you know, make a glass of Nimbu juice or a cake or something at home and come and sell it there. They make it for they probably, you know, they buy a cricket ball for 10 rupees, come and sell it for 15 rupees. So that kind of gets an interest of entrepreneurship to do business, you know, inculcates interest in them to do business. Not they need not get it. Everybody need not get into a job. That mentality all changes. So we want to try this bazaar in the rural schools as well. So even that could be done probably once your schools start. So that could be part of the entrepreneurship and innovation panel as well.
Sir, we will definitely work on it. I'll get back to you with it. And as far as the slide which is on the on our screen, we have a word with our very esteemed mentor with us, Dr. Preeti ma'am, and I had a word with her. She has shown interest, so we are working. I have to just sit with her, and then we have to plan this how to proceed further, because I have created the content of teachers training program. So we are going to start with 3 schools as of now. During this lockdown, we have to connect with the principals, and we have connected with them. So one teacher for standard 4th and 5th, one teacher for standard 6th, 7th, 8th, one teacher for standard 9th and 10th, and one teacher for 11th and 12th. Each school, we will train 4 teachers on mental well-being of students. As of now, it is just in a very, very basic mode, but Preeti ma'am has said that if she can contribute, she will be very happy. That is why she is on board with us as well. And the topics of the sessions to be taken by specialists would be for 9th and standard 10th, it would be exam pressure. Standard 11th and 12th, it would be the modern technology world. So the growing social media, how to use the social media. Then on for the standard 6th, 7th and 8th, we'll be using the mental well-being, emotional well-being aspect. And so it's unsaid, the 4th topic, it would be more of a detailed one for the adolescent changes where a student goes through bullying and all. So a bully is also a very sensitive issue, which not many school teachers and school faculty don't, work on it, emphasize on it. So we are trying to train those schools who has an MOU And if everything goes well, then Anuj sir has got a very wonderful plan to inculcate, to rope in the government school for us, this training of teachers training program. If everything went well, then we might rope in the Department of Education of Madhya Pradesh, and we will ask them to their school teachers to get on board so that our specialists can train them. It will be a signed MOU by Department of Education of Madhya Pradesh. Just a vague idea. Otherwise, we will going to have these sessions with the MOU schools. It is Anuj sir's dream to get something for the state. Nonetheless, we will do it with the MOU schools for sure. So this is a 2.0 plan, and I would like to request the parent of our students who have taken part in our
yes, Mayank. I am in a G20 meet, so my next meet is starting up, so I need to say goodbye. Before I say goodbye, Deepinder, I just want to add one major thing which Mayank has missed. We did a phenomenal event called Coding Pathshala, and more than 200 apps went online. They were all made by kids, and you won't believe there were kids who said, we don't have machines, how can we code? So we got some desktops from members. We transported them to corners of Madhya Pradesh so that they can code, and we are happy that few of them came among the top, and we gave new branded laptops. So it was an entrepreneurship on Thaler as a stakeholder. More than 200 apps on Google Play Store. So which itself was a huge investment, which we got it from Google directly through Commonwealth. So and these apps are still live, and the type of videos. So we are trying to bring everything online what possible. But yes, the people on the screen deserve more time. I think, Mayank, we will definitely connect offline with Deepinder to share our experiences.
I feel that the people are waiting up for their acknowledgement as well. And you are right, sir. The app-based coding Pathshala, Deepinder sir, we will get back to you, me and Anuj sir, to explain how the impact of it was. Nonetheless, sir, I would like to ask a valuable feedback from from Sanvi Shukla's parents. I mean, I can see Sanvi Shukla's name over here. I would like to request a parent so that we would just like to know what change your daughter has gone through during the pandemic global time, and how Thaler actually helped her to just divert her, just the mental for their mental well-being. Sanvi Shukla's father.
Yes. Hello, gentlemen. Have a good evening to you all. I just want to say one thing. Since the pandemic, we have been much worried about what to do in the next course of time. All the offices, schools, shops, everything shut down. But the support provided by your side, the children get engaged by negativity to the productivity, such a kind of thing. They start doing activity like online. They've been introduced in such a manner that in this new world, that in spite of being your side efforts, they have start making the video and sharing with their friends. So I really thanks कि आपने बच्चों को एक ऐसा platform दिया है कि they gone into a negative to positive manner. It's unfair to say that our neighbor doesn't want to meet with us since they fear of being COVID. But while we are interacting with online, we will get a touch from one person heart to heart, and the smile brings your face. I am really thankful for you and all your support. It's thinking such a big is not a thing. Making execution and then implication of such thing is really remarkable. And all the hats off to you for doing such a wonderful job. I'm really thankful. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. I would also request Deepika Saini ji to just enlighten the board. How was your experience? With Thaler, your students, your children's experience. Mrs. Deepika Saini, we can't hear you. I guess, nonetheless, she might not be audible to us. Further on, I really would like to first, invite the first session, which was taken by Dr. Chetan Ravatkar on the mental detox. And then the second one was Dr. Swati Tiwari ma'am on thinking out of the box. Third session was taken by Dr. Preeti Sadhu Pednekar or parenting and child behavior. Next, Dr. Rajiv Agrawal on anger management. And last, Mr. Shankar Vishwanath on importance of values in life. I would really like to not just it's a appreciation, it's basically a felicitation for all of the speakers, because your mentorship and your valuable advice and guidance to each and every student has really impacted in tremendous way. I mean, we have received emails, WhatsApps, and phone calls, and Ashish and me has been flooded with so many valuable happiness that what they experience, they have taken out by attending our esteemed guest sessions. I would personally say namaste, thank you, honestly, Swati ma'am, Shankar sir, Preeti ma'am, Vishwanath sir, Rajiv sir, Chetan sir. It was tremendous. मैं जितना बोलूं वो कम है. दिल से thank you. बहुत अच्छा लगा था बच्चों को, सबको बहुत अच्छा लगा था. And it was not just a one-time association. We have invited you on board because we want you to be working with YI Nationals. We have seen the impact by your sessions. And I would like to request any of our speaker session who would like to say something about the activities which we have covered so far.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. मैं थोड़ा सा चांस ले लेता हूँ मयंक जी. मैं आई बिलीव, मैं बैठे बैठे सोच रहा था काश मैं बच्चा अब होता तो प्रीति साधु जी से पढ़ता, कुछ डॉक्टर शिवाती से पढ़ता, इन दोनों से, कोई डॉक्टर शंकर, डॉक्टर चेतन, और कोई एक ऐसा जवान लड़का होता 25 साल का जिसकी दाढ़ी होती और वो हमारे को बताता कि यार देखो आज प्रीति जी आने वाली है, डॉक्टर स्वाति आने वाली है, मेरी तो जिंदगी संवर जाती. ऑनेस्टली I want to be a kid again. I mean, that is what I want to say about your effort and your infectious energy and these wonderful people जिनके साथ आपने मुझे बिठा दिया है. I mean, I don't know how to really say thank you to all of these, and thank you to you especially. अनुज जी चले गए in absentia, दीपेंद्र जी शायद ऑफलाइन हो गया. Thank you very much दीपेंद्र जी, and every one of them. You have made a difference. और बच्चों के लिए तो मैं कहता हूँ कि अगर नापना है इनकी उड़ान को तो कुछ और ऊंचा कर दो आसमान को. तो इनके आसमान आप ऊंचा कर रहे हैं, YI ऊंचा कर रही है. I am sure you are giving them wonderful wings which will take them to use wonderful places, and all the wonderful panelists that are here. मैं तो I am in awe of all of this, so I am thankful to all of this. Thank you very much for everything. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Mayank ji, I would like to take my turn, and from the bottom of my heart, I must say that I'm very much glad to be the part of Young Indians, and whatever I could contribute through my little contributions of my topic, mental detox. But the activities you just mentioned, I was seeing the screen you shared. It is just wonderful, and thank you all the board which are taking efforts and doing such a great work, and thanks for inviting me, and thank you Anuj sir, thank you Mayank ji, and thank you Ashish ji, and all the best for your future activities, and anything that I could contribute more, I'm always there. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
May I say something?
Please, sir. Please, sir.
Yes. So two things come to mind actually. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, Dipender ji, Mayank ji, Ashish ji, Anup ji. So I'll ask us a question. 5 frogs were sitting on a banana leaf in a pond. One frog decided to jump off. How many frogs are still there? 5. Wonderful. Why 5 and why not 4?
Because they're still there.
99 people out of 100 will say 4. The one decided to jump off didn't actually jump off. So there are still 5. And that's what I learned from whatever Mayank ji and Ashish ji put together. Others are still deciding. You have taken the action. So that is the first learning I got from this session. And one learning that I got from doing the session and imparting the values is that in life we have a choice to be a potato or an egg or coffee. है ना, situations हमारे साथ होते रहती है. A potato, this is a story of a girl who keeps complaining her father is a cook. He takes her to the kitchen and puts 3 pots of water, and in one he puts potatoes, in the other he puts eggs, and in the third he puts coffee. After 20 minutes he peels the potato and keeps it on the plate, breaks the egg, keeps it on the plate, and shakes the coffee and pours a hot cup and keeps it on the plate, and tells the daughter, now go and touch them or taste them and tell me. So when she touches the potatoes, they crumble. The eggs have become a little hard. And when she tastes coffee, she says, wow, wonderful flavor. And he says, what did you learn? She said, I didn't learn anything. I came here to tell you about my problems. You're cooking. So he says, observe carefully. Everything has gone into the same hot water. It is the same hard situations all of us are facing. Some of the people look tough from outside like the potato, but when they go inside the situation, they crumble. Some of them are like eggs. Eggs पानी के form में होता है, liquid form में होता है when it is raw. But when it goes into the hot water, it becomes a little hard. And they tend to presume that life is very tough. Coffee भी गया, खुद को ढाला उसके अंदर, and it created a new aroma. So we have a choice in life, either to be like the potato or the egg or the coffee. And I can strongly see that you have decided to be the coffee. So hats off and thank you all. Thank you very much. And thanks for having me over. Gratitude.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I would like to request Chelsea Shukla ji to kindly please give their valuable feedback. Chelsea ma'am, are you audible? Am I audible, Chelsea sir? Shukla sir.
Hello.
Sir.
Yeah, I am Chelsea father.
Sir, we would like to hear some.
You are able to hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear you. Chelsea
Yeah.
में लॉकडाउन के बाद जो एक्टिविटीज हुई थी थलेर में, तो आपको कैसा लगा वो जब बिजी रहती थी चेल्सी?
Yeah, actually, I appreciate your effort because we are getting such platform during this Corona time, and Chelsea participated and winning the first prize in this competition. So I was still in Mumbai, but during this Corona time, we came here and get this opportunity. So even in Mumbai, we are not getting such type of opportunities, such type of group there. So thanks all and appreciate again for your effort.
Thank you, Shukla sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
So now I would like to request, I'm honored, to be very honest. We have requested Dr. Everyone has said, Swati ma'am, आपका कुछ valuable feedback हम सब सुनना चाहेंगे, and Dr. Preeti ma'am का भी.
Okay. Okay. हम लोग सारे trainers हैं, तो we don't spare a chance to speak anytime. So I would like to say, I believe I am a very strong believer of this idiom that give the child a fish and you feed him for a day, but teach him how to fish and you will feed him for the life. So what I feel is that Thaler is teaching them to fish, and me being part of it, I'm really very proud of it. And so let's join hands and make 2.0 a bigger success than this one.
And ma'am, very soon,
thank you, sir.
Thaler, what I'm going to do is, with the existence of 55 chapters across the country, I would request my fellow YI members who are taking the responsibility of Thaler next year to invite you all on board in different chapters as well, because I have realized आप लोग की जो वैल्यू है वो शब्दों में नहीं बयां कर सकते, वो ऐसा है जो बच्चों के एक सेशन से ही हो सकता है, और सिर्फ वो भोपाल के सेशन में क्यों आप लोग पार्टिसिपेट करें जब आप लोग कोयम्बटूर, जैसे दीपेंद्र जी वहां बैठे हैं, शुक्ला सर ने मुंबई का बताया, so I can sense, I'm going to definitely vouch for you all in different chapters.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much for having us.
Preeti ma'am.
Hello everyone. First राजीव सर थे और लास्ट में हूँ, तो फर्स्ट और लास्ट का रीसेंसी वाला इफेक्ट मैं ले लेती हूँ, मुझे सब So it has been a great journey and मैं बस यही बोलूँगी कि मैंने दूसरों की लाइफ में ऐड किया है and Thaler has also added a lot to my life. I have been connected with a lot of energetic people here who have added value to my life and added a lot of confidence to what I was already doing. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm honored and glad to be a part of VIA Association, whose sole purpose is to bring out the best in ourselves for the betterment of the society in the form of nation building. मैं हमेशा से nation building का एक vouch करता आया हूँ, and I'm glad that I was being asked by our VIA Bhopal chair Anuj sir to take the responsibility of Thaler. Thaler is the major stakeholder of young Indians, as told by Dipender sir, and I'm deeply attached for the mental and emotional well-being of the school students across the country. We have touched 55,000 plus students over 24 schools from 12 cities. My dream is that via Thaler, and Dipender sir, this is for you specifically, it's my dream. और dream वही होती है जो थोड़ा सा difficult हो. Otherwise, dream क्या? So my dream is that via Thaler will one day touch 5 lakhs school students each year. एक भोपाल 55,000 impact कर सकता है, तो 55 chapters मिलके 5 lakh का dream देखना बनता है each year, and this can only be possible when all via Thaler chapters will join hands together. Thank you, and I'm really thankful for all the school students, their parents, the teachers, our extremely honorable guests and mentors via Anuj sir, chapter chair, national chair of Thaler, Dipender sir, and unfortunately our West Zone region, Satyen Gandhi, was unable to join us, but thankful to our West Zone team and national Dipender sir for their motivation, support, and see, we have came up with a very wonderful idea by Dipender sir for the career counseling tie-up. So thank you for your support, sir, and everybody on the board. And I would request Ashish to give his vote of thanks, because Ashish is, I really want you all to mention, because we're on the verge to conclude in 2 minutes, and I would tell you कि मैं हर एक से मतलब कितना थैंक यू बोलूं, पर सबसे मेरे लिए बहुत अहम रखता है आशीष भी, बिकॉज वो उतनी एनर्जी जितनी मेरे में है वो उसमें भी उतनी ही है कि ये पूरे नेशनल लेवल पे इम्पैक्ट कर सके. अकेला जय नहीं कर सकता, जय को वीरू चाहिए रहता है, तभी जय वीरू की जोड़ी बन पाती है. तो आशीष प्लीज जल्दी से कुछ बोलिए आप.
Thank you so much, Mayank sir, for your kind words. It is all your efforts जिसके कारण हम ये कर पा रहे हैं मिलके. And first of all, I would like to thank Dipender sir for his esteemed presence here, and all my Thaler speakers, Preeti ma'am, Shankar sir, Rajiv Agarwal sir, and Swati ma'am for their kind words and for conducting session for us in this Thaler session for VIA Bhopal. And I am just associate of Mayank sir in this session. He has just guided me to do lots and lots of activities and to approach more school. And from my side, I have always taken inspiration from Prashant Gupta sir. He is also here, so I would like him to speak final vote of thanks from his side. Prashant sir, please.
An introduction about Prashant sir, Ashish.
Actually, Prashant sir is the executive member of VIA Bhopal. So CII has a secretariat and all the activities officially handled from his end. So Mr. Prashant is responsible for all the back-end work that has been done in the VIA. And so I would like to welcome Mr. Prashant for his vote of thanks. Prashant sir.
Thank you Ashish. Thank you Mayank sir. और आशीष ने बहुत ज़्यादा बोल दिया मेरे बारे में, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं सर. सबसे पहले तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा आशीष सर से, सॉरी आशीष से, कि बहुत बढ़िया काम किया मुझसे. मतलब अब आशीष मेरे लिए भी इंस्पिरेशन हो गया है. मैं सर आपको सही बताऊं तो मैं डॉक्टर चेतन रेवतकर सर का थैंक्स करूंगा मेंटल डिटॉक्स सेशन के लिए, स्वाति मैम का फॉर थिंकिंग आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स, और प्रीति साधु मैम का तो मैं फैन हो गया हूँ, मैं उनका फॉलोअर भी हो गया हूँ. मैम को मैं मैसेजेस भी करता रहता हूँ. प्रीति मैम आपके जो सजेशन है वो मैं फॉलो भी करता हूँ, आपके जो साइकोलॉजी के ऊपर सजेशन होते हैं. और आदिप सर से, यस मैम, और आदिप सर को मैं विष्णु हाई टेक सिटी में देखता रहता हूँ. वो मुझे नहीं जानते, लेकिन मैं उन्हें, वो अपना डॉगी घुमाते हैं तो मैं उन्हें हमेशा देखता हूँ और हमेशा उनके सेशन को फॉलो करता हूँ, उनके सेशंस को फॉलो करता हूँ. शंकर विश्वनाथ सर, थैंक यू फॉर योर सेशंस ऑन वैल्यू ऑन लाइफ. और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट मयंक सर, आपकी एनर्जी डेफिनेटली बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी है, जो हम सबको इंस्पायर करती है। और दीपेंद्र सर को देख के मुझे चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस के इंस्पेक्टर याद आ जाते हैं, जो पंजाबी होते हुए भी साउथ इंडियन भाषा बोलते हैं। तो दीपेंद्र सर, थैंक यू आपने टाइम निकाला यहाँ पे आने के लिए। और उसके लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, हमारे चेयर जो अभी G20 समिट जो है ऑनलाइन, उसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, अनुज गर्ग सर। थैंक यू सर फॉर योर सेशन। और अभी जैसे पार्टिसिपेंट्स आपको 11 दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, इससे मायूस होने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि सेशंस में 40, 50, 100 ऐसे चलते रहते हैं। लेकिन जो ये सेशन है, ये फेसबुक पर लाइव जा रहा है। तो जैसे मयंक सर ने आपको बताया कि ये 55,000 जो इम्पैक्ट नंबर पहुंच गया है, तो धीरे धीरे ये भी पहुंच जाएगा। तो जो भी स्पीकर्स ने जो यहाँ बोला है, तो ये मत सोचिए कि ये सिर्फ 15, 20 या 25 लोगों तक पहुंचा है। 2-3 दिन में ये डेफिनेटली 10-20 हजार क्रॉस कर जाएगा, क्योंकि ये लाइव जा रहा है फेसबुक पे, और लोग अभी नहीं देख रहे हैं तो बाद में देखेंगे। तो आई होप कि लोगों को इस बारे में शिकायत नहीं रहेगी कि पार्टिसिपेंट्स कम है। और मयंक सर, आदेश दीजिए कुछ और अगर मुझे बोलना हो।
नहीं, बस अब we are looking forward for our esteemed
thank you.
head board and guest and session speaker to work with them very future में, अभी near में, and we will all be looking forward for your guidance and many more sessions to be taken from all of you via national, not just via Bhopal. You are connected with via national, isn't it, Dipender sir?
It would be an honor.
Yes, sir.
Absolute honor.
With this, I would request everyone. It's my thank you note कि आप लोग सब आए, and to grace the event and the new session के लिए आप लोग ने हम लोग को motivate किया and support करने, and we assure you that the next 2.0 Thaler will be as will be affected, will be very smoothly as it was 1.0. Thank you. With this, we request everyone to sign off and meet very soon.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you, Prashant.
all.
Thank you,
Good night.
Ashish.
Take care.
Thank you, every speaker. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.